So boom, this review is for my big titty girls. Watch until the end for a surprise. So I know y'all seen the boob tape that's meant to lift the girls without wearing a bra. Yeah? You seen them? Okay, now I'm a double D, so off rip, I know they won't work for me. But what if I told you I found some that in fact does work? I'm wearing the Hyo brown boob tape on the left and natural and letting it hang on the right. You hear me? Now, let's see how it looks with the Hyo boob tape on both. Okay, I'm feeling it. Let me give y'all a little side profile so y'all can see what I'm working with. Now, just to show y'all it's real, I'm gonna do a little jiggle and jump. See how they stay in place? Now, the material is hypoallergenic and you'll save money instead of buying all those bras. Comfortable and firm lift for when you turn it up. Now, I gotta go, but click the link in my bio to shop and use code SUMMERC10 for a percentage off.